Hi, I'm Polly DeMille, an exercise physiologist at HSS. I'd like to just give you a few tips on how to design a home exercise program. So, fitness is more than just a great pair of biceps or the ability to run a marathon. It's the sum total of a lot of things: strength, flexibility, adequate joint range of motion, cardiovascular fitness, balance, core control, postural alignment, and your nutritional status. So when you're setting up your program for the week, think about trying to hit each of those buckets during the course of your week. So to do a flexibility workout, think about taking a yoga class. You can do a home strength program with just using stuff that you have around the house or your body weight. And then a cardio circuit can be done at home by doing jumping jacks, mountain climbers, step ups onto a stool, those sort of things. So you don't need a lot of equipment, but think about varying your workout so you really do address all of the different components of fitness. And hopefully by the end of the week, you've kind of hit all those buckets and you'll end up with better overall fitness that will serve you well in all the activities you like to do.